Planning a trip doesn't have to be overwhelming. A simple 3-step process makes everything easier, from choosing your destination to booking accommodations and creating the perfect itinerary. These steps work for any trip, whether it's a weekend getaway or a long vacation. The first step is selecting your destination and setting a budget. Decide where you want to go based on your interests, travel season, and how much time you have. A realistic budget prevents overspending, so include transportation, lodging, food, activities, and emergency funds. Research the cost of living in your destination and look for ways to save, such as traveling during the off-season, using travel reward points, or finding discounts on flights and hotels. Once the destination and budget are set, secure transportation and lodging. For flights, use price comparison websites like Google Flights, Skyscanner, or Kayak to find the best deals. Booking early often leads to lower prices, while flexible travel dates help save even more. If driving, plan routes, check gas prices, and consider stops along the way. For accommodations, compare hotels, vacation rentals, and hostels. Websites like Booking.com, Airbnb, and Hostelworld provide various options at different price points. Prioritize location, safety, and guest reviews to find the best fit. Some accommodations include free breakfast or airport transfers, which help cut costs. After booking the essentials, plan the itinerary. A well-balanced schedule includes sightseeing, relaxation, and local experiences. Research must-see attractions, restaurants, and events happening during the trip. Organizing activities by location saves time and travel costs. Packing depends on the destination and length of stay. A checklist ensures that essentials like travel documents, weather-appropriate clothing, and personal items aren't forgotten. Travel-sized toiletries and multi-purpose items keep luggage light. Planning a trip in 3 simple steps: choosing a destination and budget, booking transportation and lodging, and creating an itinerary makes the process stress-free. A well-planned trip saves money, avoids last-minute hassles, and ensures a smooth experience. Whether traveling solo or with others, following this method makes any trip more enjoyable.